Okay, so I am grabbing the cabbage and heading outdoors to the grill. Mind you, this is only my second time using the apartment's grill. My first time was Memorial Day morning. So now I feel professional. Got me a little bag with my tools in it and a couple books to keep me busy. I'm just gonna stay out there because it's cabbage. It shouldn't take long. But I'm gonna show y'all. I showed y'all what I put on it. My daddy basically told me, like, you know, season it, cut it in half, cook it face down, and then cover it while it's on the grill with aluminum. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then when I bring it back in, I'm going to put vegan butter on it. But I gotta put y'all down because we gotta travel to get there. I'll be back in a second. I'll be back when I make the grill. Okay, y'all, so I don't know how long it's been. I know for sure it's been over 10 minutes. So if I had to guess, I'd say maybe 15. I turned it up a little bit because the first 5 minutes didn't seem like nothing was going. Now I'm mad. They need to flip it. Turn it down. Oh. Okay, now we finna put some butter on. Now put some butter on. Now put some butter on. Now put some butter on. Put some butter on it. We finna put some butter on it. 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 Alright, we're gonna put some vegan butter on it. 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 Put some vegan butter on it. Vegan butter on it. Vegan butter on it. Vegan butter on it. Now basically the sweet potatoes that I were cooking are done, and now I'm about to throw these cabbage in there. The oven is off, but it's still warm, so that butter, all the juices gonna get to going right in here. And in the meantime, I'm about to go ahead and cook up a little bit of tofu fried chicken. We ain't good in the neighborhood today. Woo! Okay, so I'm trying something I never tried before. Got this from Publix. Some gluten-free seasoned flour. I'm going to use that on this tofu that I've chopped up. And then before I coat it in the flour, I'm actually going to coat it with a little bit of water and barbecue sauce. You'll see how that goes. Am I going to do oat milk or water? Yeah, I'm going to do oat milk and barbecue sauce. So we're gonna do this and this in here, and then that, and to this. And I smell this, and it smells pretty seasoned. So I'm not gonna add anything to the tofu. That's why I decided to add in the barbecue sauce, just in case it wasn't enough season. And then I actually have these gluten-free panko crumbs. These gluten-free breadcrumbs. that I might actually add into the flour mixture as well. And then we're gonna fry it on up, and that's gonna be a little tofu fried chicken right there. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. You playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It is not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we liberate our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. All right, we're gonna take the wrap. Gonna put some mashed avocado on there. Get our fiber and healthy fats. All of it. Then we're gonna put our protein, the Beyond Meat crumbles. And then top of the protein, vegan cheddar. And then mustard, ketchup, pickle. I feel like I'm at Subway. Spinach. Spinach. And fries. Handful. Without expensive treatments, injections, or prescriptions. Try today at myharmony.com. Originally, when I was doing this video, I wanted to make it all about dinners, but I'm actually having this for breakfast and I just had to share. It's a gluten-free bun, got 2 pickles, I fried up an egg, and then that's some vegan cheese. I don't want to separate it. Some vegan cheese under there, and that is a Beyond Meat patty that I created when I created the cheeseburger wraps last night. So I'm just having like a breakfast burger, and I'm having on the side of that some leftover cabbage from when I grilled cabbage the other day. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Like, I need all of this goodness. I need all of this nutrition. I need all of these calories. I need all of this fuel and energy. I'm so excited. Oh, and there's spinach on the bottom and ketchup and mustard. Definitely try this.